Money Alchemist isn't just another financial guide. It's a transformative journey that takes you deep into the heart of your financial potential. Imagine embarking on an adventure where every step you take brings you closer to unlocking the hidden treasures within you. It's a treasure map to unlock the wealth potential within you. This book is designed to help you discover the secrets that lie dormant, waiting to be awakened. Just like an ancient map leading to hidden riches, the Money Alchemist provides you with the tools and knowledge to navigate your financial landscape. Imagine yourself as a modern-day alchemist, transforming your financial life from ordinary to extraordinary. Picture yourself walking through the vibrant markets of your life where every decision you make is a step towards financial mastery. The golden light of opportunity shines upon you, illuminating the path to prosperity. This book will be your guide, revealing the secrets to attract wealth and achieve true financial freedom. As you sit by the tranquil lake or in the serene park, let the wisdom of the Money Alchemist seep into your consciousness. Each page you turn is a step closer to understanding the principles that govern wealth and abundance. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about adopting a mindful and strategic approach to money. Picture yourself meditating on a hilltop, the sunrise casting a warm glow on your face. In this moment of peace, you realize that true wealth comes from a deep understanding and a thoughtful approach to your finances. It's about adopting a mindful and strategic approach to money. Imagine yourself by the riverside, writing in your journal or planning your financial future in a beautiful garden. Each note you make, each plan you draft, brings you closer to financial alchemy. It's a process of continuous learning and strategic thinking. Throughout this summary, we'll explore the book's core principles and practical tips to help you on your journey to financial alchemy. As you walk on this scenic trail or engage in discussions with like-minded individuals, you'll uncover the practical steps and core principles that will guide you towards financial success. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and unlock a future filled with abundance. Let's dive in. Stand under the waterfall of knowledge, let it wash over you, and look up at the bright sky with hope and determination. Your journey to financial alchemy begins now. Money Alchemist emphasizes that true wealth begins in the mind. Your thoughts and beliefs about money shape your financial reality. Do you view money as a source of stress or opportunity? Limiting beliefs can create roadblocks to financial success. Instead, cultivate a positive money mindset. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Believe in your ability to create wealth and attract abundance. Remember, your thoughts have power. Use them wisely. Gratitude is a powerful force for attracting more abundance. It's like a magnet that draws positive experiences and opportunities into your life. When you start to appreciate the little things, you open the door to receiving even more. Money Alchemist encourages you to appreciate what you already have, no matter how small. This practice isn't just about feeling good, it's about shifting your entire mindset. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you create a sense of fulfillment and contentment. When you focus on gratitude, you shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. This change in perspective can transform your life in ways you never imagined. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles, and you begin to attract positive experiences and people into your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple act can help you cultivate a habit of gratitude. Over time, you'll find that you have more and more to be thankful for. It could be your health, your loved ones, or the simple pleasures in life that bring you joy, or even a delicious cup of coffee. The key is to recognize and appreciate these moments, no matter how small they may seem. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. By focusing on what you have, you create a mindset of abundance, which can lead to better financial decisions and opportunities. Gratitude attracts joy and abundance. It's a powerful tool that can transform your life, bring you more happiness, success, and fulfillment. So start today and watch as your life begins to change for the better. In a world of instant gratification, Money Alchemist reminds us of the importance of patience. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Resist the urge for immediate gratification. Instead, focus on your long-term financial goals. Delaying gratification doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means making conscious choices today that will benefit your future self. For example, instead of buying that expensive gadget, invest the money and watch it grow over time. Patience is a key ingredient in the recipe for financial success. Section 5. Investing wisely. Growing your wealth exponentially. In this section, we'll explore the fundamental principles of investing and how you can leverage them to grow your wealth exponentially over time. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth. It allows your money to work for you, generating returns that can significantly outpace inflation. By investing wisely, you can create a financial cushion that grows over the years, providing security and opportunities for the future. Money Alchemist demystifies investing, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, understanding the basics of investing is essential. Our goal is to break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand strategies that you can implement right away. It encourages you to start small and gradually increase your investments. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. The key is to start early and stay committed to your investment plan. Explore different investment options such as stocks, which represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, though they come with higher risk. Bonds, which are essentially loans you give to governments or corporations, tend to be less risky than stocks and provide steady, albeit lower returns. Real estate is another popular investment option, offering potential for both income and appreciation. Diversify your portfolio to minimize potential losses. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the risk of any single investment performing poorly. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Seek guidance from a financial advisor to create an investment strategy tailored to your goals. A professional can help you navigate the complexities of the market and make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. Investing is like planting seeds for your future financial security. With patience and care, your investments can grow and flourish, providing you with the resources you need to achieve your dreams and secure your financial future. Section 6. The importance of giving back, creating abundance. Giving back is not only personally rewarding, but also a powerful way to create abundance. Money Alchemist highlights the importance of generosity. Share your wealth with causes you care about, whether it's donating to a charity or volunteering your time. Giving back creates a ripple effect of positivity. When you give freely, you open yourself up to receive more abundance in return. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. Section 7. Breaking free from debt. Reclaiming your financial freedom. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Money Alchemist provides practical strategies for getting out of debt and staying out. Create a budget and track your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards debt repayment. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to lower interest rates. Seek professional advice if needed. Breaking free from debt is like removing a heavy weight from your shoulders. Section 8. Building multiple streams of income, diversifying your wealth. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Money Alchemist encourages you to create multiple streams of income. Explore side hustles, online businesses, or real estate investments. Diversifying your income streams provides financial security and opens up opportunities for greater wealth creation. Multiple income streams act as a safety net and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to financial alchemy. Money Alchemist provides a roadmap to transforming your financial life. By adopting the principles of gratitude, patience, and wise investment, you can unlock your wealth potential. Remember, financial alchemy is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and learn from any setbacks along the way. Now that you have the tools, it's time to start your own journey to financial alchemy. The power to create wealth lies within you.